Welcome to CS1010X. In today's session, we will discuss how we'll be using the online virtual classroom software called Zoom to run the online virtual classroom classes. When you log in, what you do is that we need to check that the mics are working. So what I will do is to call your name and then we'll do a mic test. Ashish,
Hello.
mic test over?
Yeah, over.
Okay, very good. So what you do when I do mic test is that you can respond with yes, I'm here, or loud and clear, and then we'll know the mic is working, and then I will check a few students. Chen Hao.
Clear.
Okay, very good. Nicholas.
Loud and clear.
Okay, very good. Owana. Owana, mic test over.
Clear.
Okay, Sean, mic test.
Clear.
Wei Neng, mic test.
Loud and clear.
Okay, Yi Cheng, mic test over.
Loud and clear.
Okay, very good. So you've seen how all my participants have responded and affirmed that their mics are working. Sometimes the mic doesn't work. So for now, let's pretend that Wei Neng's mic isn't working. Suppose I call Wei Neng and after a while we realize that his mic isn't working. What Wei Neng will do is that he will PM me, basically send us a chat. So Wei Neng, please send us a chat and say that the mic is not working. Okay, so Wei Neng has messaged me and I can see in the chat window over here that the mic is not working. So what Wei Neng will then do is that he will change his name to Wei Neng, parentheses, no mic. Wei Neng, please change name description. Yes, okay. So now we can see that Wei Neng has no mic, right? So once we do this, we will know that this particular student has got no mic. You just saw the chat function. So now what we do is we will demonstrate how the chat function works. Essentially, it's like the IM. You just click on this chat button and then I can send a note to everyone. Good evening. Okay, and all of them will see my note. Everyone, please say good evening to me. Thank you. Okay, so here you see the students responding via the group chat. So typically, while we are teaching, the focus is on voice and audio, and it may be hard for me to notice that you are using the group chat. So we try to avoid that. Okay, so with that done, let's talk about other functions. One of the key functions that we need to use is the checkoff function. So oftentimes you ask questions that require a true or false response. And if you agree or the answer is yes, you will check off and say yes. Okay, all check off for me. So here there is this little green button that allows you to check off. Ashish, please check off. So now you see an example where the student is not paying attention. Okay, wait, the chat has come in. So unfortunately, okay, Ashish is now on Ubuntu, which does not have the checkoff function. So Ashish would now basically change his name so that behind his name it says Ashish Ubuntu, so that I'll know that basically his Zoom doesn't have the checkout function. So in general, we will advise you not to use Ubuntu or Linux. Please use either the Windows or the Mac version. Okay, after checking off, we will do a cross, okay, or no. So all please cross for me. Okay, very good. So all the students who can check off and cross have done so. Okay, the next thing that is really important is what you call the hands up button. All please hands up. Okay, so this is how you attract the teacher's attention. So what happens after this is that I will call the student and you can ask a question. So I will go, Yi Cheng, please ask your question.
What is 2 plus 2?
4. Okay, very good. So basically, we need some discipline here. And what you do is you hands up. Okay, the prof will notice that you have a question. He will ask you. Then you will unmute and then ask the question and then you mute back. Okay, very good. So another thing that we want to highlight here is that generally your mic will be in the muted state for the class. So you only unmute and talk when you're asked to do so. Okay, otherwise it's going to be chaos. Okay, so the other thing that's really important that you need to learn is actually the teacup. Okay, so because sometimes as the class goes on, we may have to go for a toilet break or something. So you need to tell the prof that you're gone. So all please teacup for me. Okay, so once I see a teacup, I know that a student is away on break and we will not call upon him or her and mid-class weight. Okay, so these are the basic functions for this teaching. All right, then after that, what you often have is that we will have screen sharing and the use of a whiteboard. So let's now take a look at the whiteboard. Okay, so now I have shared a whiteboard with the students. All right, and I can type. Okay, all students please type something. Okay. Okay, you can type or draw. Okay, you can draw lines. You can also draw shapes. Okay, very good. So we are all pretty much familiar with this function. And with that, we're done with today's demonstration. We hope that with this, you'll have enough familiarity with Zoom to come online and enjoy the online classes. All right, I will see you all soon online.